Today we have Jeffrey B. from Jeffrey B. Jewelers that's decided to come in and give us a look at what he's got. Jeff, why don't you take over and tell us what you brought today?
Well, thank you so very much, Robin. I wanted to come out on the internet today to introduce a new collection that I found, and it's called the Sparkle Collection by Jeffrey B. And this is featuring a laser cut technique that has been put on base metal with a platinum plating that is really something to see. It is the Sparkle Collection for one simple reason: the sparkle.
Because it looks good.
It looks so good. And this is something that you really haven't seen anywhere before. This is an amazing collection right here of nothing but sparkle. It looks as though there's diamonds in it. When you look at it and you're looking at the sparkle, you're thinking, this is all stones. No, not at all. Not one stone. This is just metal.
Wow.
Metal is creating this effect. And that's it, nothing else. And that's the beauty of the whole line, is that you're going to get all the sparkle with no downsides of possibly losing stones or wondering if it's a good quality CZ or a good quality a simulated diamond. None of that. This is just sparkle.
And that's so well worth it, because there's nothing worse than losing one stone and you can't wear the jewelry anymore.
Exactly.
And it's a waste of time. Now, tell me, I heard that this has been seen on the red carpet.
Oh, majorly. This year on the red carpet, this has been one of the #1 things, the large cuffs. Women were wearing the cuffs in yellow and in white.
Okay.
And as you're looking at now, we're showing you a couple of examples of the pieces that we're wearing on the red carpet. And you can see the similarities in what these are and versus the stars wearing at 100,000, 50,000, 300 carats with the diamonds is going to be quite a bit of money. I mean, we could do it. I have no problem custom making one of these for you.
We could totally do that for you.
We could totally do it.
Yes.
But this is not going to be the price.
But the price is?
This is in the store right now. We sell it at $70. But what we're doing is a special offer. When you download the app, the Jeffrey B. Jewelers app, in your iTunes or on your Droid, this bracelet will be yours with free shipping. The price for all of this sparkle in the store right now, we sell it for $80.
Okay.
But as a special that we're going to do on the internet for this, for downloading the Jeffrey B. Jewelers app on your Droid or iTunes, you'll be able to get this bracelet for a $10 discount, which will make it $70, including shipping.
Including shipping.
Including shipping. Free shipping.
Free shipping.
Free shipping
That's
all the way
the
to
important
Christmas.
word to say. Free shipping. So we get $10 off.
Exactly.
And we get free shipping.
Free shipping.
You can't beat that.
And you get loads and loads of sparkle.
And you're going to be able to wear that for a
that
long time. I actually am wearing one of your pieces today.
And that looks great on you,
Isn't
Robin.
that great? The blue just kind of sets it off there.
It does, it does.
So it's a nice piece that I can wear just dressed casually, or I could totally put this on with a nice looking...
with a black dress?
With
I mean, at a really
oh my
nice
goodness.
black tie affair?
Yes.
I mean, listen, you have your diamond ring on now.
Yes.
I mean, you're wearing that with a nice diamond ring,
Yes.
and you have all the sparkle that you want. I mean, this piece can go anywhere. And like I said, it's nothing that's really going to ever take it down, because it's just laser cut metal. And so what's nice about it, it's just designed to catch the light in such a way that you get nothing but pure sparkle out
And
of it.
the detail on some of these bracelets.
Yes, when you get a little bit of a different flavor, like I say, we have a Southwest flair in some of them. This one right here is very, very more modern. I think a little bit sleek as far as being more of a piece you might want to have at a club. So taking these out to the club and having the light sparkling down on you, it'll be the hottest thing on the dance floor.
I like that idea. I like that idea. We talked a little bit about maybe it might be a good idea for a bridesmaid's gift.
Yes, and that is a very good point. That is a very good point. And you'd imagine you're having your 5 best girls in your wedding, and you're always trying to figure out what can you all wear together.
Right.
This could be the ideal gift. And you know what? Now that you mentioned it, I want to say that if anybody buys 5 or more for their bridesmaids, I will make sure the bride has any one of them for free.
Oh, Jeff, what a great
Well,
idea.
my tagline is, when it's love, it's Jeffrey B.
Oh, well, that's awesome. That's awesome. So we can have our viewers kind of keep that in mind in case they know anybody who's getting married.
Exactly.
It might make a great gift.
Or you can even do it as a registry. Do it as a gift for them. go ahead and give your girlfriend, or it's somebody that you know is getting married, come and buy 5 of them and know that the bride is going to get one for free. What a gift.
That's
what
a
a
great
nice
gift.
gift. You can be registered, be part of your registry and part of the gifts that you want to have somebody give for you.
I like that idea. I like that idea. This one here has actually caught my eye, Jeff. I love the detail on this
Yes.
bracelet. To me, this one looks a little Southwestern.
Exactly, it does. It has that little bit of cowgirl feel to
It
it.
kind of does. I'm thinking I could probably hook that up
Exactly.
with a nice pair of jeans and
There
a
you
cute
go.
little top. I'd be
That-
sporting that.
That's it.
Right
That's
along.
it.
Yeah.
See, and that's what I think is so nice about it. They do go with anything. And, women just love the idea of sparkles. Diamonds are a girl best friend for a reason, because they shine.
Oh, yeah.
And they give you the sparkle. And so that's why I called it the Sparkle Collection, because
Yes.
the thing about this is that it just gives you the bling, the sparkle that you want all the time. You just like to have something really, like when I'm looking at you. I'm talking to you now, but I keep
you're
looking
just
at your
looking
bracelet.
at my
Exactly.
bracelet. I know.
Yeah, because
Well, I
it
can't
catches
stop
your eye.
staring at it either. And I'm sure that I'm going to be stopped many times
Yes,
wearing this bracelet.
I know.
That people are going to ask me, where
Exactly.
did you get that?
And you were able to get it right on your phone. And that's the nicest thing.
Yes.
Wherever you find yourself right now, you like this look, you know you love the sparkle, you can just pick up your phone, look at the picture you want, see what design you want, hit the button, and it's on its way. You don't have to get to your internet. You don't have to get to your iPad, just your phone.
Right.
This is an app on your phone, Jeffrey B. Jewelers, in your iTunes or on your Droid platform. Download the app, have it on your main screen, and you just hit it and say, you know what, I need a new bracelet for tonight. I need a new bracelet. Come on to the store. Let me know you want it, and I'm going to have it hold for you in the store. Or just tell us you need us to ship it. Either way, you can go ahead and order that on the phone, and it's right there at your hand, and then on your wrist.
It doesn't get any better than that.
It can't get any easier.
Well, there's a lot of people like myself that are big online shoppers.
Yeah.
So it's nice to be able to have that availability. And by having the app on the phone makes it, one touch. I don't have to go out. I don't have to do the
Right,
searching.
right. No,
you
not
are
at all.
right there.
Right there.
My husband might not be too happy about that, but for me, it's very
Yeah,
convenient.
it's almost every week that you feel that you need a new bracelet.
I know,
you
100
got
days
18
a
weeks of
day.
bracelets.
I know. I love that idea. I love that idea.
Yeah,
But I
that
think
is
it's going to be, certainly with the holiday season coming up, people are going to have parties that they need to go to. New Year's Eve. Can
Yes.
you imagine?
Oh, New Year's Eve.
Walking into
You
that
do
New Year's
not
Eve
wanna
party.
be at a New Year's
Oh,
Eve
no.
party without a
I
Jeffrey
will
B.
be
Sparkle
wearing mine.
bracelet.
Yes.
Exactly.
I will be wearing mine.
Yeah,
on
this
New
is going to
Year's
be
Eve.
the hit at New Year's
Oh,
Eve.
I think it
by
will.
Far, by
Yes.
far.
Go to your iPhones, go to your Droid. You can download our app. Once you get into our app, you can see the whole Sparkle collection. We have a great deal going right now. If you order one of these Sparkle bracelets, they're normally $80 in the store. You can download our app and you get $10 off, so you can get that bracelet for $70 with free shipping.